and welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow gift guide. This is part 4 and this is one of my favorites because it's all about splurges. So these are my favorite splurge tools for my craft room and things that I really do use a lot. They're a little bit more on the pricey side, but maybe you want to tell your Santa in your household, whether it's your dad, your husband, or maybe you just have a crafty Santa that you want to tell a new tool that you'd love to have, or maybe you've saved up some Christmas money and you want to treat yourself. So we will have coupon codes and things, so as always, visit the blog post. Everything will be linked. There'll be videos, comparisons, all those things to help you make the decision for what is best for your craft room. So let's take a look at the splurges that I've chosen for 2018. So first of all, let's have a look at the Gemini family. So here we have the Gemini Foilpress, and I did the other day a comparison between the Gemini Foilpress and the Glimmer hot foil system from Spellbinders. So that will be linked in your top right hand corner and you can check that out. And of course on the blog post. We have the two sizes of Gemini here. So we have the Gemini in full size and we have the Gemini Junior at the front here. So we have a full 8.5 by 11 size and then we have the half size in the purple. And then there is also a Gemini Go size, which is the miniature version. I do not have that one. I would like to try it. I'm sure at some point I will make that investment and try it out. But I love these machines. They're completely automatic. I have more than one of both, and whenever I travel, if I teach classes, I take these with me. I take multiples. Everybody loves working with these. You can cut, emboss, use embossing folders, emboss with dies, all those things with these machines, and you can use your foil press in there as well. I love the fact they're completely automatic. I just feed it in the front, it knows it's there, and it feeds it out the back as well. I also popped in my polychromo pencil. So I did put in some more budget-friendly versions of colored pencils, but just look how pretty even these colored pencils are. These are Faber-Castells. I have all 120 colors here in this beautiful, beautiful rainbow. You can use them with Gamsol. They're soft, they're creamy. They give you the most beautiful blends in there. So if you're really looking to treat yourself, this is fantastic. I have the tin. I would have loved the wood box, but it is a lot more money to get the wood box version, but it is stunning. So they are a definite splurge, but really beautiful to have in your stash. Down the front here, I have the Cricut family. So at the front here, I have the Cricut BrightPad. I use this so often. I use it for my art esprit markers because it's great for tracing and reversing things. It's great also for weeding. You'll have seen me use it for that. This is the new EasyPress 2. This is the widest one. It comes in 3 sizes, so it kind of comes in the standard, and then it comes in a mini size. You'll know the EasyPress 2 series by the raspberry color. The originals came in blue or in lilac. And the difference is these heat up to 400 degrees, which is also great for those Art Esprit sublimation markers I showed you earlier. And then, as I say, they come in the 3 sizes, whereas the one only came in the 1 size. And then you have your temperature controls, your timers, all those kinds of things on the top here. It does also come in a storage base plate. I haven't got it on the table just because of space. And then you can also get pads in the various sizes as well. So this is the EasyPress, perfect on there. If you don't have room for heat press or you just work with HTV and things, this is great to have in your craft room. And at the back here, I have the Cricut Maker, which you'll all know I'm a huge fan of. And then it's great because I just open it up like this. My front will fall forward. It has a ridge for my iPad to go in up here. I have 2 tool slots, one for pens, one for all of my different blades. It has score blades, double score blades, deep cut blades, so I can cut chipboard and wood and all those kinds of things with it as well. I can cut rotary with fabric and things, and then I also have a storage pocket in the front here as well. And I will link up the reasons why I bought the Cricut Maker, not this Black Friday, but the Black Friday before, so you can check that video out as well. And I also have top 5 questions on the Cricut Maker as well, so that's on there too. And then we move over here, and I did put up the Spellbinders Glimmer foil system. As I said, I did a comparison between this and the Gemini system, so that will be linked up in the blog post, and it was linked at the beginning. You can also find it here on the Hedgehog Hollow YouTube channel. And then down at the front here, I have the new Scan and Cut DX from Brother. This is their new machine. This is an amazing machine. It is whisper, whisper quiet. It has tons of accessories and things in it. The front drops down here. Again, you have your blade in here. You have 2 storage pockets in the front here. So I have one in each side. with magnet closures as well. You can get roll feeders, you can do foiling, you can do embossing, you can do all sorts of fun things with this. And I will have a comparison as part of the gift guide between this SDX model, which is the new one, and I will also have a comparison with the old Scan and Cut 2, which you all know I had in my craft room. And I really love the Scan and Cut because if you're a paper crafter and you love to stamp like I do, I worked out I only had to not buy around about 10 sets of dies on the old machine to pay for my Scan and Cut. Slightly more with the new machine because it's a little bit more expensive, but it's well worth the investment. So I'll be doing a comparison side by side, showing you how to use it, those kinds of things that will also be part of this gift guide series. So stay tuned for that. You'll be wanting to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications of those videos. And we've also had a stocking stuffers video. We've had a by budget video. So we did everything kind of like in the 10 to 25, then 25 to 100 budget, depending on what you wanted. We've had this Splurges. We did the comparison between these. We're going to have some other crafty gifts, just some things a little bit outside the paper crafty box that we'll be having in our separate gift guide as well. We'll have the comparison between the Scan and Cut 2 and the SDX. Lots and lots of fun things coming your way, and I'll be doing a planner comparison as well. So lots and lots of things coming your way. Special coupons over on the blog, so check those out too. As I say, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Not only will you get all of our gift guide, you'll get tons of inspiration coming your way. And also, we are the official media partner for Creativation 2019. So we will be the place to come to for all of the news, behind the scenes news as well, and lots to show you, and lots of things from the floor as well. So don't forget to join us for that, and that bell will make sure you get notifications of those. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed our gift guide series, and don't forget to visit thehedgehoghollow.com. We'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.